Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Everything Online. Welcome to chapter 1 of our level 2 of Basics of Spanish. Now, since this is the very first chapter of this level, we'll take it a little easy and we will learn days of the week in this chapter along with some special things like how to say happy birthday. So, let us get started with this chapter.
Welcome back to level 2 of our Basics of Spanish. So to begin with, a very simple and a very basic chapter, that is days of the week. There is no solid logic behind remembering all of this. It's purely based on how much you practice. So this chapter is of course divided into two parts. The first part being the days of the week and the second part being some bonus words. So let us begin. So the very first day is Sunday. So to say Sunday, we have the word domingo. Domingo. Remember, D is always a soft toned version. So it is not domingo, not like dominoes. It's domingo. Monday is lunes. Lunes. Tuesday, martes. Martes. Wednesday, miércoles. Miércoles. Thursday, jueves. Now in Spanish the pronunciation for J is K, so it's a little rough pronunciation, not J, not a J pronunciation. So jueves. Friday, viernes. Viernes. And the last one, that is Saturday, is sábado. Sábado. Alright, so moving on to the second part, that is our bonus words. So the very first thing that we will see is how to say happy birthday. So the word for that is feliz cumpleaños. So feliz meaning happy and birthday, cumpleaños. Feliz cumpleaños. The next word is weekend. How to say weekend? So for that the word is fin de semana. Fin de semana. The meaning of the individual words, fin meaning end and semana meaning week and de meaning off. So it is actually end of week, weekend, fin de semana. The next word is party. Is of course, most of you might know it, fiesta. Fiesta. Enjoy. Disfruta. Disfruta. Fun. Divertido. Divertido. Relax is relajar. Again, the J sound. Relajar. So party, fiesta, enjoy, disfruta, fun, divertido, and relax, relajar. Now let us practice all of these words in a few sentences. So how would you say today is Tuesday? Easy. Hoy es martes. Now if you notice, now this is more of the writing part, but it's good to know that whenever we write the days or the names of the days of the week in English, we capitalize the first letter. But in Spanish, you don't capitalize the letters, it's just a small letter. So, today is Tuesday. Hoy es martes. Next is enjoy your weekend. Enjoy your weekend is disfruta tu fin de semana. Disfruta tu fin de semana. Tu is the word for your. So enjoy, disfruta tu weekend, fin de semana. How would you say this? My birthday party is on Sunday. My birthday party is on Sunday. Mi fiesta de cumpleaños es el domingo. Now a few things to notice here. My birthday party. So here the literal translation has become me is my, fiesta de cumpleaños, party of birthday. So just like we say for weekend, end of week, it is party of birthday. Okay, and on Sunday, so we have learned in the previous levels that the word for on is actually n, but when you're talking about days or something that falls on a particular day, so while that of saying that, the on becomes el. Okay, so mi fiesta de cumpleaños es el domingo. And how would you say the party is fun? So this party is fun. Esta fiesta es divertida. Esta fiesta es divertida. Now, the fiesta, the word fiesta, is a feminine gendered word. That is why the word divertido became divertida. Esta fiesta es divertida. And the last sentence for the lecture, I need a relaxed weekend, is necesito un fin de semana relajado. The adjective always goes after the noun. We have seen this in the previous lectures. So the adjective here is relaxed. Therefore, it came after the noun weekend, fin de semana. So necesito un fin de semana relajado. And since the word is talking about the first person, that is I, the word relajar became relajado. Necesito un fin de semana relajado. So that was it for this first lecture of our level 2. Now if you have any questions, of course drop them in the comment section and I'll try to answer all of them. And I'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you.
So was that video helpful and fun? If you liked this video, please click on the like button, subscribe to our channel Learn Everything Online, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Also, please leave your feedback in the comment section. It helps me improve my content and your learning experience. I'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you.